sensitizations, the Directorate of Traffic and Road Safety, together with its partners, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Works and Transport, Uganda National Roads Authority, continue to engage communities through media houses, social media platforms, and physical engagements on messages of road safety across the country. These are some of the tips for this week. All motorists on different roads must observe speed limits, and they must all know that we must not drive beyond 100 kilometers per hour on all roads, including Entebbe-Kampala Expressway. Don't drink and drive. Then motorists must give way to pedestrians while driving on roads. The public can also always report these traffic violation and other complaints on our toll-free number, which we have always given, but I'm also giving it again. It is 0800 199 099. We also commend all those who have always called us and given us information on different roads, and that I'm also here to assure you that we have always acted in time and arrested those who violate the traffic laws and rules on different roads of the country.